Hi, this is Tina Mexivon with RCR Wireless. We're at In-Building Wireless Congress, and I'm here with Joe Schmelzer, Head of Product at Nextivity. Joe, how's it going today?
Hi, Tina. Going great. Yeah,
Great,
nice to meet you.
Great. Well, congratulations on your 2019 Commercial Integrator Award. What's going on with FirstNet?
Yeah, so we've had, I think we've had 4 awards in the last few months, so things are looking great on the award side. Cel-Fi Go Red is a phenomenal product. I think pound for pound, it's my favorite product in our portfolio. The FirstNet stuff is going really well. We're seeing all kinds of interesting use cases being deployed throughout the marketplace. We have partners that are putting them in portable cases so they can be delivered to incident sites. We have them being deployed inside of buildings and things like that need FirstNet coverage. So it's going great, yeah, really well.
I see you have some updates around Cel-Fi Go too. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah. So Cel-Fi Go we launched a couple years ago in the commercial space. It's done really well. It's one of our most popular products. It's one of my favorites. Recently, we've updated the software. We've made it a little bit faster, made some improvements and some bug fixes. We've added some functionality to it. We support all the carriers in the U.S. now. Recently adding U.S. Cellular and Sprint. So that's been really well received by our partners. We also have a mobile app that we ship as well, that we develop and ship as well with the product. And we've made some updates and improvements to that mobile app that make the interface with the Cel-Fi Go product a lot more functional and easier to use. And so our customers are really appreciating that.
So you have Cel-Fi Compass RF tool. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, I can. So we are delivering the Cel-Fi Quattro product into the marketplace now for a couple years. That's a product that's focused on the middle price. It's focused on buildings, say, from 50,000 to 500,000 square feet in our wheelhouse. And we are supporting the ecosystem of partners, integrators, installers, and different companies that are using this product to provide cellular coverage in their building. And part of the process for installing and optimizing our Quattro system involves some things like antenna pointing, and you can do some site signal monitoring. You can understand what your donor signal is. Those features you need to do sort of as part of the installation process. And there are tools on the market that installers and partners can use to accomplish that. Most of them are they can be very expensive, they're up to $30,000, $80,000. And then the ones that are a little bit more affordable are not quite as functional, not quite as useful in our context. So we've actually built our own tool that will be available to our partners. And what it will do, it will facilitate the installation of the Quattro and our other products. And it will do things like commission the Quattro system. It will support the antenna pointing function. And it's kind of a standalone little piece of equipment. I think we have a picture of it here on the wall. It's battery powered, so sort of lightweight, can be carried around, thrown into your toolbox or into the back of your truck and taken from one site to the next. Quite functional, it'll be quite powerful and really make the Cel-Fi experience of installation and commissioning and optimization very easy.
So Joe, you've been receiving a lot of attention on Cel-Fi Quattro and Supercell. That appears to be a big focus for you guys. Is that a segment that you see as growing?
Absolutely. The middle prize, as we like to refer it, is a really unserved market in the in-building cellular space. I think last time we counted, there was 6 million commercial buildings in the U.S. alone. Probably 10% penetration in terms of having in-building systems. So it's a fantastic marketplace for us. The Quattro is our solution for that space, and we have a couple different configurations that we can offer. The simplest and most straightforward is off-air, what we call off-air, and that's where you take the donor signal from the macro network and relay it into your building. And the second configuration is what we call Supercell. And that is, we can directly connect a small cell to our Quattro system and bring a really high quality we can add capacity, we can bring a really great coverage system into a building and then distribute it with our Quattro product very efficiently and effectively. So it really provides a really great low-cost option. Also, we have some sites that may or may not have good coverage from the outside, and so they're not really a great candidate for an off-air solution. And this is where the Supercell also shines. Again, bring in a small cell, connect it to Quattro, and you can be up and running really fast with great coverage in your building.
So we see Nextivity talking about public safety at these events. Are we going to see more products from Nextivity?
Yeah, our technology we think will be great in that category, and we'll be making some announcements in the next coming months. I think at APCO will be a big announcement from us, so look for us there.
Perfect. Joe, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.